Welcome back guys to the video. This is the Stock Estate. I'm an ex-financial advisor here, and today we're going to be talking about WNW Stock, which is Wunong Net Technology Company Limited. Okay, this stock, right, has been rallying, okay, since its IPO. Okay, it has since then surging more than 700%. Look at this. Oh my god, what is going on? Okay, I thought Airbnb and DoorDash was bad, but this is just insane amount of hype that's been behind the stock. Okay, so and I'm just gonna dive into the table of contents. Firstly, I'm gonna talk about what is this company, okay, and what is this company that's IPO. Some basic information on this company, although honestly there's not much to go about there. And nextly, I'll talk about its price movement. Okay, it's valuable tips. That if you want to buy high and sell higher, okay, this is my secret sauce that I always use. It is a principle that I actually stick to every time when I see such parabolic moves. Okay, and lastly, I'll talk about what's my plan if I am going to trade this stock. Okay, and let's jump straight into the video. So firstly, okay, what is this stock actually? What is this company? Okay, so let me just take a look at this company. Okay, apparently, okay, it's called Wunong Net Technology Company Limited. Okay, it's a holding company. Okay, it offers online retail of food products in China. Okay, it sells primarily green food, organic food, cultural heritage food, agricultural products, and pollution-free products. Okay, so very green stuff. Okay, and it sells through its online retail store. Okay, and this is the most important part, because I think this is the main reason, right, why it is rallying so high, because it's an e-commerce company. Okay, it is you have to know that also it's headquartered in Shenzhen, which is in China. Wow. Okay, so his competitors would probably be Alibaba, the largest e-commerce institution. Okay, so yeah, since it's an e-commerce IPO, I guess the hype is just there. It's just insane. Okay, look at this kind of runs. Okay, it's crazy. Okay, so you put your money in, right, when the day is IPO, right, you have gotten so much gains. Okay, it's crazy. Okay, I am speechless. Okay, but yeah, so basically this is what is the profile of this company. Okay, and I actually look at its profiles, and it's the solid numbers that is there. Okay, we'll talk about its profit margin. Okay, it's not profitable yet. Okay, it's losing money. Okay, although it's earning revenue of 8 million per year. Okay, it's actually losing net income because it has higher cost of goods. Okay, so it's not actually profitable yet. And you can see here that there's his total debt is much more than his total cash, and yeah, so maybe they are using equity funding, to try to pay off their debts. But however, you can see that their balance sheet is not very strong. Okay, so it's very little information. Okay, honestly, I did some background research on this stock actually, and I could find nothing. Okay, there are 10k everything, very limited information. Okay, and honestly, very iffy company. Okay, I don't know what is driving this. Maybe it's just a hype. Okay, but it's very iffy company. Okay, so right, so now I'm going to talk about its price movement. Okay, its price movement. Let's look at the technical charts. Okay, price movement wise, okay, you see it's just blocks of candles upwards. Okay, and if you know me, you know my previous videos, right? Okay, what will I say to this? No, I will not trade this, because why? It is a parabolic high, a one straight move upwards. Okay, but then okay, you have to look deeper into it. Okay, because this is the 1 month chart. Okay, but this IPO has just been trading for 5 days. Does it make sense to use this chart? No. Okay, so hence we have to use the 5-day chart, okay, which is here. Okay, and look at this. Is this a parabolic high? Okay, if you look at this, the front part, right, boom, all the way up here, right, it consolidated, boom, right. Okay, so from the lows of the $28 here, right, $28 here, it's trading up here. This is a parabolic high. Okay, I will never buy here, never. Okay, so you want to wait for this is the tip that I'm going to give you. You want to wait for a build up like this, a nice build up, and you buy and you go up, and I'll explain why. Okay, so if it's a parabolic high like this, right, I would definitely not buy on this kind of huge parabolic high here, because what happens? Okay, if you buy it here, right, where are you going to set a stop loss? Okay, all the way here, this is such a huge gap. Okay, there's nothing in between. There's nothing in between to set your stop loss, and for you to gain a risk reward ratio of here, right? Okay, so let me just draw out. Let me doodle. Okay, so for you, if for example you buy here, okay, you buy here, you buy here, right? Okay, you see this is a huge gap here, a huge gap. Okay, so in order for you to get a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, your market has to move in the exact same at least this much for you to gain a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Okay, but however, okay, that's why I'll never chase this kind of parabolic high. You want to wait for it to have a nice consolidation. Okay, so you see consolidated and it closed very tight. Okay, that is where you want to buy in on this kind of consolidation. Okay, I'm speaking from this in terms of a purely technical analysis and purely in terms of a standpoint of a trader. Okay, so from here, right, then you can set a step loss very tight, much more tighter. Okay, you can set it here, okay, and for it further upside. You can see that after consolidating, okay, there's a high chance of it breaking out higher. Okay, and you can see it actually did. Okay, it actually did. Okay, it went up parabolically upwards. Okay, from all the way from here, right, $40+ all the way to $144. Okay, it tripled. It tripled. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, it's crazy. Okay, and you ask it. So let me ask you now a question. Okay, so hi my fellow friends. Okay, so would you buy at this area? Okay, if you don't, okay, let's take it as you don't see all this, right? Would you buy at this area? No, the answer is no, because if you buy here, where are you gonna set a stop loss? Where? Where's the logical place? Here, Nani? Where? Don't know. You don't know where is it. Okay, so what you have to do, okay, is again wait for it to fall, okay, and you wait for a nice tight consolidation. Okay, so actually after looking at the 5-day chart, I can see it, you know, actually consolidating for a very, very long period of time. And now the market is very undecisive. Okay, it's thinking that, oh my god, should I break higher or should I reverse lower? Okay, so what's the tip? Everyone repeat after me. Okay, so the tip here is always look for setups of a parabolic move higher, but with a nice consolidation. Okay, a nice up and down. It's a very tight squeeze over here. And okay, if you know more in-depth technical analysis, right, okay, you will know that this is also a wedge itself. Okay, so what is a wedge? So I'm going to draw the wedge here. So it's touching all the tops. Okay, here. Okay, if you want to be a little bit more anal, right, you want to set like this, it's also fine. You want to touch this point over here. Okay, so you can see that it's trading tighter and tighter and tighter. Oh my god, and it's tighter and tighter. So most likely the next few days you either break lower here, or you'll break higher up here. Okay, and this move will be massive again. Okay, it will be huge. Okay, it will be at least 20% up or 20% down. Okay, it will be crazy. Okay, and so now what's the golden question? Okay, the golden question. Okay, what will actually happen? Okay, hey, stock exchange, you know, will it go up? Will it go down? Do you think I know the answer? Okay, the answer is no. Okay, but I can give you the most relevant or the most educated or calculated guess. Okay, so this is my take on it. Okay, this is my take on it. So for it to go up, okay, I feel that, okay, judging by the technical analysis, just purely based on the technical analysis, right? Okay, technical analysis says yes. Why? Because you can see that, okay, it's trading above the 100 moving average. Okay, which is the 100 moving average here. Okay, it's way above, so it shows that this is very bullish. It's very, very bullish. There's a strong hype momentum that is going up. Okay, and so TA tells me that it will go up. Yes. Okay, but however, okay, based on how I know, okay, on fundamental analysis of how these kind of IPOs trade. Okay, IPOs, right, normally trade. IPO normally just tanks after a few days. After the initial hype, you'll just die. And plus, right, this company is like, this company is weird. Okay, this company is weird. This company is like, there's no information on this company, and there's nothing that's I rechecked that. Okay, there's nothing about this company that we know a lot about. So people are normally, if you don't know about the company, most likely you're buying it because of the price. And so once you have gained your profit, most people would dump. Okay, so maybe this will be a pump and dump, because this is just how it trades. Okay, people are most probably going to dump this because most people are just here for the quick profits, and most likely it will reverse. Okay, so honestly, I would say it's a 50-50 kind of bet kind of thing. So I would say, you know, unless you're a really high stakes gambler, right? Okay, you want to, you know, get some quick profits, or you like the thrill, right? Okay, it's a really honestly a 50-50 chance for me. Okay, it's crazy. It'll be interesting to see how this plays out. Okay, most of you here can just sit on the sidelines, okay, and spectate like how I do. Okay, so lastly, right, okay, you'll be like, oh my god, stock exchange, you know, what's your plan? Just what's your plan? Okay, normally you will give a plan, right, to trade this, right? Okay, so for me, right, honestly, I might not even trade this because there's such a lack of information on this stock. Okay, I can't really search for any catalyst. Okay, maybe if I'm really, really interested, right, I might just start a very tiny position just for fun. Okay, just for fun. Okay, but if you really want to trade this, okay, there is away, okay? So, but however, you must be firm, okay? Very, very important. Must be firm, and you must set a very strict stop loss, okay? It's honestly a 50-50% bet, okay? And so let me tell you how we're going to trade this. So, example, if you're going to bet technical analysis, you're going to go up. It's going to explode up, right? Okay, then what you need to do, what you're going to do, okay, is you buy now. Okay, you buy now, and you set your stop loss somewhere here. Okay, you can see the lows over here. Okay, somewhere over here, the lows of the last red candle. Okay, so anything goes wrong, bam, it goes down, right? Okay, you get stopped out. Okay, you won't eat a huge loss. Okay, but however, if it goes all the way up, right? Okay, you can get quite a significant upside. So honestly, but if you want to trade, you want to short this. Okay, you want to go down. Okay, then you set a stop loss around here. Okay, so if it reverses upwards against your favor, okay, then you get stopped out. Then you won't get a huge, you won't get destroyed, okay? And you actually have quite a bit of upside. Okay, so this is basically how you can trade this, and technical analysis wise, on trader point of view, it's quite logical. It's quite a good setup. Okay, it's quite easy to trade this because the risk to reward ratio is pretty good actually. Okay, it's for small little stop loss of a risk like this, right? You can get quite a high reward. But however, this is such an iffy stock, right? That I'm just not gonna touch it. Okay, I'm most likely not gonna touch it. Okay, all right, so. Thank you for watching the video, everyone. And okay, if you really like this video, okay, I will really smash the thumbs up button, okay, tickle the subscribe button, okay, and really look at this kind of stock, right? And I hope you get a lot of value from this, because it's really, sometimes it's about analyzing and seeing how I analyze this kind of stocks, right? And you learn to craft your own plans, okay, and doing these kind of things, and these kind of tips along the way can be applied to not just this, but many other companies and stocks as well. So I really hope you gain a huge ton of value from this, okay? And yeah, it'll be quite interesting to watch this from the sidelines with me. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you have a nice day and stock is stayed up.